What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the Jimbo Slice Workshop. Happy New Year 2020 in the house. Over the last year and a half, I know it's been a little rough and light with content. I put a lot of energy in my Instagram channel, not a lot of life here in this YouTube channel, so it's been pretty grim. So I owe it to you guys this year. I'm going to come back hard, and we have a lot of tools lined up for review videos. They're going to be starting to pump up pretty quick now. But also, I have something new that we're going to be doing every week. Every Sunday, we're going to be uploading a video called Workshop Weekly. And what it is, it's going to be a short video, probably 8 to 12 minutes long. I'm going to feature some weekly tool deals that I find, whatever I'm working on in the shop, maybe a little bit of tool news, updates, companies coming out with stuff. And also, we're going to have a weekly tool that a guest is going to be talking about a tool that they use in their workshop or on the job or whatever. So there might be some giveaways, some companies might be involved. I don't know yet, I'm just kind of making it up as I go along. But every week we're going to have a new video. Sunday nights will be uploaded, so it'll be fresh when you have your Monday morning coffee when you go back to work. Short, 8 to 12 minutes tops. I know I get a little long-winded at times. So, point of this video here today, we have DeWalt. Yes, yellow. 12 volt max tool. This is their new Xtreme compact line that they just updated this year. 5, 6, 7, 8 years ago they came out with 12 volt tools, and they haven't touched them since. So this year it's nice to see brushless, powerful, compact, extreme compact tools. They have the screwdriver, they have an impact driver, impact wrench, and a drill. So hopefully we'll see some more tools get into this line, but for now we're going to be talking about the DCF601 cordless screwdriver. Single speed, 1100 RPMs, 16 clutch settings, including maximum. Most of the time I leave the tool on max. As you saw in the beginning of the video, I was using a 5/8 inch paddle bit, going through some pretty dense pine and also a little bit of MDF into the pine. It struggles a little bit. It's not the ideal tool to use for drilling, but if you got it on your hip and you need a quick hole, it can make it happen. So I like the tool. It's got an awesome LED ring. It's lightweight. It's compact. It's got a quick connect chuck. What I mean, single-handed bit insert. A lot of companies don't like to include that. Kudos to you, DeWalt, for doing that. Like I said, the LED ring is up here. No speed selector, only single speed. Great grip. Same thing you get on your 20 volt max. Lightweight because of the batteries. If you get the kit for 120 bucks, it's on sale right now. You get a 2.0. I think you get two 2.0s with it. They do have 3.0s, but they don't include those in the kit. But at least on the 2.0s, you get a fuel gauge. Now, in terms of charging, if you have a fast charger that's compliant with the 60 volt flex volt tools, it's not going to work with a little 12 volts. You need the older, slower chargers. So overall, it's a pretty good tool. It's comfortable. In terms of comparing to the competition, I personally use a Makita screwdriver. I had it actually imported from Korea, but it's a little more compact. In terms of length, it's the same length, but it's just a little bit slimmer. Power-wise is about the same. But the thing that I like about it has a speed selector. So if you need more torque, you throw it in speed 1. If you're just looking for high speed in production, you throw it back into speed 2. But for DeWalt users, particularly ones that are already in the 12 volt line, or you just like yellow tools, this is an awesome tool for assembly, cabinet work, electricians. If you need a lighter duty screwdriving unit and you don't want the impact and you don't want the noise or the weight, check this bad boy out. Bare tool is 90 bucks, so if you get the kit with the drill and impact driver and you want the screwdriver, just grab the bare tool for 90 bucks. But really, for extra 30 bucks, you get 2 batteries with it, you get a bag, and you get a charger. So that's the route that I would go with that. Acme Tools provided this for review, if I did not mention, so that's where they had the sale on it for 120 bucks. Be on the lookout. I will be reviewing the impact driver and drill situated over there. So overall, really glad that DeWalt finally updated their 12 volt line. Is it too late? For a lot of people, yes. A lot of DeWalt users jumped ship and they went to Milwaukee. Milwaukee provides a lot of trade-specific tools in the M12 platform. Makita's recent CXT line is actually a very popular tool. I personally have quite a few of their tools down in that drawer in that 12-volt line. Bosch also is killing it with 12-volt tools. They got the little compact router, which we'll have a video on that coming up. They got a 12-volt planer. I mean, come on. So DeWalt, are they behind the times? Nobody likes to hear it. Nobody wants to see some guy on YouTube ranting about how they're behind. But let's just look at the bigger picture of things. They're playing catch up. Does it matter? No. If you like tools, it's an awesome tool if you're looking for a 12-volt driver. Hopefully this year we'll see this lineup expanded because I think they can do great things with it. They did release right before the holidays a 18 or 20-volt max one-handed reciprocating saw. It's very compact. I'd love to see a 12-volt battery on it, but they need to get some 4 or 5.0 amp hour packs on that. So that's all I got for you guys today. Click the link below to head over to Acme Tools to check out their sale on the Xtreme Compact from DeWalt. As always, thank you to them for providing tools for this channel. Be on the lookout for new videos coming up. Subscribe, like, share, and hit me up on Instagram at Jimbo Slice Workshop. So that's all I got for you guys. Have a good New Year.